Hello and welcome everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to change the motor of an AB actuator. First of all, you have to disconnect the motor. For AB actuators with a control unit, you have to open the cover here and disconnect the motor. It is also possible that you don't have a CSC, a control unit, so you have to disconnect, for example, the X-proof actuator, the motor at the terminal block. What do we need? We need a set of Allen keys, a BH3 Phillips screwdriver, sealing material, some towels and something to put the sealing material on, and a degreaser. First of all, open the cover. Get the motor cables, disconnect the motor cables. Good. Now open the 4 screws of the motor flange. One thing to add, if you have an AB actuator and AB5 actuator, for example, you are opening the gearbox part, so it is possible that oil can leak. On an AB actuator starting from AB8, you are not opening the gearbox part and you don't have to worry to lose any grease or oil. If, for example, the motor is damaged or burnt or something, you can order it from our site. All we need to know is the serial number of the actuator. Open the cover. Now dismount the motor by flipping it to your side carefully. Perfect. Put the old motor beside. The reason why we are always requesting the serial number is because the actuator, the motor always comes with the motor pinion and the flange pre-assembled. So it's good to know the serial number because we need the number of the teeth of the motor pinion. Next step, put some of the sealing material on the flange, just a little bit. Make sure every part of the surface has a sealing material on. Now clean up the surface of the actuator. Next step, fit the motor cables through the actuator. mounts the motor again. Get rid of the sealing material which is coming out of the flange. Mount the cover again, so you don't damage anything. Now you have to connect the cables again. So let's see. This goes here. Now you have to fit everything inside. Make sure no cable is squeezed. Mount the cover back again, or connect the motor to your terminal box. Now you can mount your actuator back to your valve, and your actuator is ready for operation again.